Assalamualikum. Welcome everyone. Today we will try to tell about nutrition and health benefits of nuts. Nuts are a nutrient-dense food that is rich in healthy fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. They are a popular snack food and are also used as ingredients in many recipes. There are many different types of nuts, including almonds, walnuts, cashews, pecans, pistachios, and hazelnuts, each with its unique nutritional profile. Here are some of the health benefits of nuts. 1. Heart health. Nuts are high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which have been shown to reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels and decrease the risk of heart disease. They also contain vitamin E, which has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. 2. Weight management. Despite being high in calories, nuts can aid in weight management. They are filling and can help reduce appetite, leading to reduced calorie intake. In fact, studies have shown that including nuts in a weight loss diet can lead to better weight loss outcomes. 3. Brain health. Nuts are an excellent source of vitamin E, which is a potent antioxidant that can protect brain cells from oxidative stress. Some studies have also suggested that consuming nuts regularly may improve brain function and memory. 4. Diabetes management. Nuts have a low glycemic index, meaning they have a minimal effect on blood sugar levels. They are also high in fiber and protein, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 5. Bone health. Nuts are a rich source of minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential for bone health. Regular nut consumption has been linked to increased bone density and a reduced risk of osteoporosis. 6. Skin health. Nuts contain vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy skin, including vitamin E, zinc, and selenium. These nutrients help protect the skin from damage caused by UV radiation and can also improve skin hydration and elasticity. 7. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation has been linked to many chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Nuts are a rich source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body. It is essential to note that while nuts are healthy, they are also high in calories. Therefore, it is crucial to consume them in moderation and as part of a healthy, balanced diet. It is recommended to eat a handful of nuts per day, about 1 to 2 ounces or 28 to 56 grams, which is enough to reap the health benefits without consuming excessive calories. In conclusion, nuts are a nutritious food that can provide many health benefits. They are a good source of healthy fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals and have been linked to improved heart health, weight management, brain function, diabetes management, bone health, skin health, and reduced inflammation. Incorporating nuts into your diet can be a simple and tasty way to improve your overall health. Thank you very much for being with us. Click the subscribe button next to get the best videos. Everyone will be fine. Assalamualaikum.